Why do you think kids with ADHD have anxiety issues? They're easily overwhelmed, so they can't differentiate what's important and what's not, and so they get that overwhelm leads to a certain sense of worry and panic about everything. That's really true. So what she's saying is one reason that her son is anxious is that he's frustrated because he doesn't understand how the world works and he can't process it. So I think all of these things contribute to anxiety, but I think there's something else. Now, the statistics are that it's 34% of kids who have a diagnosis of ADHD have a coexisting diagnosis of anxiety. But in my office, that I see more of that. And here's my theory about why I see more than that. Imagine that you're a child of ADHD. Perhaps you yourself were a child who had ADHD. You go into school. You hear numerous times in the course of the day ways that you could do things differently, ways that you could do things better, things that you're doing that you're not supposed to be doing, and how you're missing the mark. You slowly have this feeling that builds inside, I am not getting it right. And what goes along with that feeling of I'm not getting it right? Anxiety. Because when is the shoe going to drop that I'm just doing my own thing and I'm not getting it right and I'm going to get in trouble again, or I'm going to miss something at the lunch table and people are going to laugh at me, or I'm going to have to pull out a paper for my assignment and I can't find it and I have to empty out everything in my desk to find the one piece of paper that shows what I have. So to me, the reason that there's a lot of anxiety is because there's this persistent vigilance, unconscious vigilance about when is the shoe going to drop next.